question. How many of you out there drink this stuff? Raise your hands. Whoa, it's okay. I used to drink this stuff too until I found out what it's made of. Oh, I have an idea. Yeah. Okay, let's find out how many teaspoons of sugar they put in one can of soda. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So, I've got a teaspoon and a cup. And we're going to find out how many teaspoons of sugar are in one can of soda. Okay, here we go. Oh, count along with me. And if you know Spanish, count in Spanish. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, 5. Do you think there's more? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! Oh, 10 teaspoons of sugar in one can of soda. Ugh, that is gross.